Chotto.
Hey, Stone Gold, this is Ira Walker again. Just wanted to come and just share another song with y'all today. This one's called Cesvs Alakvtes. It was recorded just maybe about 12 years ago over at Sand Creek, Eufaula here in Wewoka, Oklahoma. And Sand Creek is one of our traditional Muskogee Creek Seminole churches. They still use a lot of the language, sing in the language. And this song is called Cesvs Alakvtes. It's talking about Jesus came and talks about how he came and how he died for our sins and took our place on the cross. But this right here is I really like this recording. It's not real good quality, but I really like it because there's a lot of people that really lead off in the song. And it's got Houston Tiger, the pastor. I think he starts it off. And it's got Barney Jacobs, who's passed on. He was a deacon there, but he's passed on now. And then it's got I believe Paulo Gonzalez. I can't remember who else is in there, but I know it's a pretty good recording though. It's kind of long, but I really enjoyed it. Really just always like listening to it. Just wanted to share it with y'all today though. So if you like the video and enjoyed it, just encourage you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way you can hear some more. But I just wanted to share this song with y'all. And again, just Mado for watching the video.